Hello, good people. How are you doing? This is B at B's Kitchen. Karibuni sana. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. So today I'm doing another special meal this time round. And it's Mukimo, yes, but it's a special Mukimo, I would say that, because this time round I'm going to be using peas, the Minji. Yeah. There's so many ways you can be making your mukimo. There is mukimo where you add in the peas instead of using the green leaves that I normally use on my other mukimos. So let's stick around and see what's going to be popping. Yeah. First thing first, I boiled my maize, I boiled my peas, I boiled my potatoes all together. As you can see, after preparing them and peeling and doing everything that was needed. So here it's time to mash. Everything is ready. Oops. Let's go ahead. You give it like 30 to 45 minutes for everything to get cooked up, yeah? Then now this is where the work is. You mash everything all together. Those people who end up blending the peas, the minjis, for me, si lazima, I don't have to blend the minjis. You can always mash them up, the potatoes and the maize all together, and they'll just mash up. So here, you need energy for all this, Nothing comes easy. Energy is needed. Look at the outcome. Mm-hmm. Look at the outcome. The mukimo is looking nice, looking yummy, as you can see. Mm-hmm. Then I'll be preparing onions. Uh, I'm going to cook my onions to golden brown so that I can add them in. Yeah. Usisahau nilikuwa nishaweka chumvi, yeah. But in case it doesn't taste, you're gonna add. So here we are. I'm frying my onions. Plenty of onions to be precise. And they have to be golden brown, yeah? For you to get the taste that I want. You're ready? There you go. You put all your onions plus the oil. Then you give another good mixing and mashing so that all the onions can be all over, We're looking for that nice taste, that nice flavor, Bonda kabisa hadi shikane. Mix all together. The onions don't have to be in one place, yeah? Let them spread all over. There you go, as you can see. Mix everything well. Oh, look at that. Look at the outcome. Imeweza. Eish. Imeweza. The mukimo here, it's another level, Now I'll start making my beef on the side because I need some stew. I'll start by slicing my gourgets. Put them aside. Then the hohos or the capsicum. Then put them aside also. There you go. It's always good for you to prepare things earlier before you start cooking. But this time round, nilisahau. Yeah. Cut to your desired shape and size. There you go. Then cut onions. These are for making, for preparing the beef stew. And you need plenty of onions, right? They play a big role. Usipime kitunguu, weka kwa wingi. It's a season of onions actually. Weka kwa wingi. There we go. Then I'll cut in my spring onions for garnishing. We're looking for those for the nice flavor, for the nice taste. Yeah. Who do want some nice meal? Nani hataki chakula kitamu, you know? Always garnish up with some corianders and some spring onions. Here we go with my coriander. This is the dania that I was dicing up, or rather, I was chopping. Mm-hmm. So everything is almost ready here, so that I can start making my beef. There you go. With this economy, na napika nyama mingi. That is enough. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So initially I had boiled my beef kiasi just to make it soft. Then I'll go ahead and add the onions, stir and make them cook well. And a bit of oil. Yeah, I added a bit of 2 spoons of oil. The onions here already now. I'll go in with my blended tomatoes. Yeah, I want the soup to be a bit thick because inaendanisha na mukimo. Mm-hmm. I don't want anyone choking up. So lazima ikuwe na kasoup kidogo. Mm-hmm. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Smells so nice. I'll add in my capsicum. Mm-hmm. Then add in the well-cut gourget. Mix them well all together and allow the blended tomatoes, the capsicum, and the gourget to cook. There we go. Look at that. Like at this point, you can literally like enjoy everything as it is. Vegetables, you can always have them like that. I'll go in with my spices. I'm going to add in the paprika, around 1 spoon. Then I'll go in with the garam masala. That's enough. You mix them up so the spices can be all over. And don't forget to put in your salt. Add in the salt. Then give them some nice mix. Look at that. The aroma in the kitchen is something else. Oh my goodness. Wish I can be putting the aroma on this screen so that you can smell it. It's amazing. Look at the outcome. Looking so nice, lovely, very, very tasteful, delicious. Any nice word that is coming out of the kitchen, go ahead and give it. At this point, I don't feel like I want to add any soup. Look at that. I'm going to add in some seasoning. Royco beef cube. 2 will be enough. You give it another mix, another nice mix. Let all the spices mix up. As you can see what I'm doing here. Amazing. No, this is the broth that I had kept aside after I boiled my meat. Goes back to the pot. Yeah. We need some stew so it can make our mukimo more soft when you're having it with it. You allow it to cook so that like you don't have to have your soup way too much. That is enough. I'm going to garnish with the coriander, the danias. Then add in my spring onions. Oh my goodness, the flavors out here. Garnishing you meal with spring onions and corianders at the same time. Oh, My goodness, they're very demure, you know. Right? Hey, look at that. Mm-hmm. I can't wait to serve myself and enjoy the meal. Time to serve. Time to plate up. It's still hot, you know. I'm going to plate up my dish. There you go. Look at that. Look at the serving. My goodness. Allow me to enjoy my meal. You can always do. I'll put I'll put all the recipe in the description box. If you want this kind of a meal, you can just follow the few steps. Thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for giving me company. Subscribe and share. Thank you. Let me enjoy my meal in peace. Mm-hmm. Wow. Mm-hmm. The taste. Everything was so yummy. Yeah. Look at that. Amazing. Delicious. Bye. I'm out.